Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. So in this video I will show you the unboxing, the first look of a new Twosun knives that I got. This will be the model number TS132-D2. This is a older model, but it has Micarta scale, so I had to add it to the collection. Let's see the packaging. So of course, like many previous Twosun knives, also this one is drenched in some kind of oil. I really hate when this happens. You can see. So yeah, I will try to pause the video and do a little bit of cleaning to basically take it to the state without so many oil. So we'll be right back. Okay, so and I'm back. I do prefer to stain my Micarta myself, but this is how it looks like. Wipe down it a few times with isopropylene alcohol, and now it looks much better in my opinion. But so let's see the specifications. So we have an oil length of 21.3 centimeters, that is 8.4 inches. The blade is 9.2 centimeters or 3.6 inches long, with a width of 3.3 centimeters or 1.3 inches. The thickness is 3.7 millimeters or 0.14 inches. Handle is 12.3 centimeters or 4.8 inches long, with a thickness of 1.7 centimeters or 0.66 inches. The blade is made out of D2 with a Satin modified Wharcliffe blade. Handle scales we have made out of brown canvas micarta, and we have stainless steel liners which are skeletonized. As far as period assembly goes, it rides on caged ball bearing washers, perfect centering, opening method. You can use the flipper or okay, let's try once more. No, the D10 ball is too stiff to middle finger prick it, but you can still use your thumb to open it via this thumb hole opener. We have a nice functional top jimping right there. Also here on the back spacer is almost full, made out of black G10. And I'm not mistaken, this is the second variant, which has the updated folded over pocket clip. The first version that also came probably with JG10 had just a banded heat treated pocket clip, like they have used on some other models. I did not like it, so therefore I did not buy this model for a long time. But since they were so kind to make another version, into my collection this one goes. So as you can see on the blade, we have Y-Start TS132-D2. So Y-Start is, as far as I know, a Chinese knife brand, so I don't know if they have collaborated or made this model for their web shop or what's going on. It is definitely not the designer, but who knows. As far as sturdiness goes, yeah, this is a standard liner lock, so it's really nice and sturdy, no problems there. As far as pocket clip goes, this has medium to stiff tension. I would say more stiff than the medium. Let's see the sharpness out of the box. Yeah, really nice and sharp. Before I forget, let's do the pocket profile. It will go inside the pocket without any problems, and this is how much it will be sticking out. This standard fold over on some models also deep carry pocket clip is really nicely designed, so it will definitely function as it's just supposed to be. Unfortunately, still no flush screws, so yeah, we have to have these dome ones. But since the space between the pocket clip and the scales is really decent, there should be no problems on snagging on the fabric of your pocket. Overall, I must say this is a really nice, really nicely shaped, nicely designed knife. Unfortunately, I have to say that this back part here is a little bit sharp because it is not contoured, it is just cut, and this will poke in your hand if you use it in this configuration. But if you use the semi 4-finger choil, there should be no problem. Even if you have smaller hands, that this should also be no problem. But they could around this back portion here. Okay, so the weight comes at 149.3 grams or 5.3 ounces. These are of course made in China by Twosun. Closing is nice and smooth. Definitely could use a D10 ball ramp, but yeah. Has a really nice, interesting pivot screw right there, and we also have updated body screws here. Unfortunately, this looks like T6 or maybe even smaller on the pocket clip, but I appreciate this one here. It's definitely a good thing to have, because some of those small screws are really flimsy and they strip like no tomorrow. Okay, so now let's see a few size comparisons. So I brought out where is it? Let me check. Yes, I have here the 301, which is in my opinion one of the most beautiful micarta that I have used so far. You can see the difference. This is basically the standard Chinese brown or orangey looking micarta that is used by all sorts of different companies. Like, for example, here's the same on the QSP Penguin, and also on the CVV Elementum. Okay, let's continue with the Spyderco Paramilitary 2. It's almost the same size. Then example, one of the worst micarta used by Twosun. There's the model 111. They basically had some polished brown greenish looking burlap micarta back in the days. Okay, here is the Benchmade bug out, the full-size Griptilian, CJRB full-size Feldspar. This, in my opinion, has one of the best Chinese burlap micarta, if it is Chinese, of course. I don't know, on a production knife. Here is the red Model 1. Let's continue with the Ace Grand from Giant Mouse. Kaiser Breaklighter 2. 940 from Benchmade. The Kaiser pinch with the OG China Carta. You can see they really improved on the Micarta since they firstly introduced brown micarta on production knives. I don't know, let's see, Spyderco Endura. Let's see also Delica. Rough Rider Peanut. Here, Strider SNG. CGRB Pyrite Alt. Knife Center exclusive in burlap micarta. Here's the Cold Steel Mini Recon 1. Here's the full size one. And let's close it down with the K-Bar Dozier Folding Hunter. So price wise, you're looking at around $45. This price is from Smoky Mountain Knife Works website. Sorry, White Mountain Knives website. They are the distributor and dealer for United States. So if you do want to go on eBay and try auction one of these, then check out the stock at White Mountain Knives. Maybe they will have some or can order it for you. If not, you can check also AliExpress and eBay, of course, since Twosun has one outlet shop on eBay, and you can try your luck and buy Twosun knives also there. Okay, so this was the Twosun knives TS132-D2. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can, of course. If you are subscribed, thank you very much. Big thumbs up to you. I always appreciate your time watching my videos, letting me know what you think. And if you are not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing to not miss any future videos. With that being said, wish you a wonderful day and hope to see you soon. Bye.